Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer HSBC app to new phone UK. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. So at first all you need to do is obviously download the app, and then after that open the app and then enter your username, and then you're going to select an option to verify that it's you. So, and if you already have the previous device which had the app, you can just select the QR code option, and then it will be tell you that how you can generate a QR code on your old device, and then you're going to click on that device and type in like select generate security code and then the QR code option, and then select yes to confirm, and then it will send you a 6-digit like secure key that you need to set up, and then you set it up and then you see your QR code. And after that, on your new device, you're going to click on ready to scan button and then position your camera to scan the QR code, and it will set up, and then you can do a new digital secure key pin for the new app that you just downloaded. And there you go, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.